One proven strategy that I've used to find good meme coins that are earning money couple of weeks is this particular strategy that I'm going to show you right here in this video. This app right here is called Phantom Wallet. And in Phantom Wallet, you get to see trendy coins, coins the most volume, and coins that everybody are talking about. You get to see those particular coins. So you can see right here is trendy, and you can see these are the top coins, right? These particular coins were created a few days back. I think August 5th, I can see. Market cap is about 26 million market cap as of today. You get so on this particular place, you get to see the kind of coins that is currently gaining attentions. You can also see upcoming coins that is trending very soon. And if you can get to this particular coin early, there's potential that you can make money off this particular coins you get. So just a little disclaimer, any coin that I'm going to analyze in this video, I don't recommend you buy those coins because by the time you get to watch this video, those coins might have gone to zero. You get, meme coin don't last. You get, once they are being created, they tends to trend in attention for a couple of weeks or a couple of days. So they'll go down to zero. You get. So I'm going to show you guys how I can get to this particular place. So this Phantom Wallet, just like I've said. Your Phantom Wallet, what you need to do is simply come to this button that says search. Click on this search button, and if you click on search button, it's going to take you to this page, right? You're going to see this specific trendy coins, these trendy coins. Click on see more, and from here you get to see all the coins that's currently trendy in the past 24 hours. If you want to select lower time frame and select 1 hour, 7 days, 30 days, you get, depending on, you can click on 1 hour. I'm going to see coins that are currently trending in the last 1 hour. You get, and you also tend to see upcoming coins do. I see the percentage that they have done. You get, for example, this final wave guy has done about 40,000 percentage. You get, if you check, you can see the market cap is about 890K market cap, which is very small. Get, it graduated August, which was yesterday, and this coin is doing well now. This is actually a very good coin. That's potential of doing multiples. You get, so with this particular method, it is very easy. One of the coins right in this particular place are actually work for, in the sense that they are past their work state. You know that when a coin is created in the first one to when first 1 minute to about 30 minutes, if the coin wants to work, that is where it gets work together and see this coin is actually free from work. So now how do you use this particular method to look for good coins? It's very easy. You can click on trendy to see the trendy coins, or you can click on it, you can see if you want to select coin based on market cap, price change, volume, or all of this. So I prefer trendy because I want to see the trendy coins, and you can select the chain you want, Solana, Ethereum base, anywhere. Choose Solana, I'll put this in 1 hour. So Altcoin is actually a very old coin already, so I won't be going for Altcoin because the market cap is already, but if it's load in the market cap of Altcoin, this was that place. Market cap is about 35 million market cap. It is very, I'm looking for lower market cap. It's quite a small market cap that I can easily trade into. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to look into newer coins. For example, this final wave guy that I've shown you earlier. Final wave guy, market cap at 89K, and it was created just yesterday. Market cap 89K, market cap created August 7, which was like yesterday. So top 10 without 30%. So I'm going to check this guy out. Then the other coin will be probably, let me see this and guy to see if the market cap is very low. You get, so you don't know that when trading Memecoin should be tracking at narrative. Market cap is about 677K, which is also very good. You can see this method you can get to see low market cap that you can easily buy. The next thing to check these particular coins out on this screener and do some basic research, and before I get to buy the coin. So now I'm going to open up the screener to check these coins that I've selected and guy and now with so guys, this is the ant guy, and in the past 1 hour you can see about 794K volume. In the past 5 minutes about 4K volume. This screen is actually a very lot of attention currently. All I need to do is just simply go to the chart and then see what the chart is doing. I'll probably buy into this particular coin. So like I said, I do not recommend you buy into this particular coin because by the time you must have gotten to see this video, this coin might have gone to zero. You get, all I wanted to take from this video is that issue. know how to use the method. The way I use if I use this particular coins, you learn that method and use that same method to find your own coins you get. So currently on family chart, the coins currently at the top right at only market cap yet. But it has kind of decreased about market cap, which is actually a very good entry if you want to enter. So to enter at this particular place, 500 market cap or at this place, or take profit in the next you get. Or take profit when it gets to 1 million market cap. Very easy. The coin is pumping. You know, you don't buy at the top, you only buy when it dumps. So it has dumped. You can try to buy at 100 market cap at this particular place you get. You can also use bots to actually set automatic entry rate. There are links to both in the description box I can use to set automatic entry. Like when it gets to how much market cap, automatically it's going to be how many get to how many market cap will take profit. So guys, this is a good method that you can see. You see how easy it is. I really not to put money for waste. Yeah, now let's check the other coins out. So guys, this is the other coin called the real coin. As you can see, market cap is by 82k market cap. During the last 1 hour, the transactions or the volumes was down by 15%, which is not bad. And the last 5 minutes, transaction has been up. So actually looking at the chart, yeah. So as you can see, it's only doing too much research. If you use computer to find this coin, or like when you go to Dexscreener directly, get research should be doing are very minimal because most of the coins they are already been verified. The liquidity is locked and they've already passed their rock phase, just like I've said. Get so I think this particular coin, right, is close to the previous support level, which actually is very good entry at this particular place. You can see these coins are actually doing very well. And the value screen, you have potential of making you money. Get you have potential making you money. Sure, if you watch my video, I can't actually do the analysis because I'm using my phone. When on my PC, I can show you other analysis. What I want you to know is that don't buy at the top. I always say that. As you can see, it's close to the previous resistance, which was at this particular level, at this particular level, at this place. Yet, so you can buy this place. If it can get to 1 million market cap, you take profit. You get that like about 30% increase. Or if you can wait, you can hold for long term. And you should know that as the coin is going up, you take your profit along it gets. So, guys, basically, this should be all for this particular video. And if you have any questions, go down in the comment section. If you are not clear on anything, also add in the comment section. Give my Telegram WhatsApp community. And I'm going to see my next video. Peace out.